This $20 million cliffside mansion is set to break records in Sydney. And once you've seen the bedrooms, you'll see why. Rising out of the rocks with frontages to the Pacific Ocean and Lurline Bay, this luxe residence is one of Maroubra's most exquisite. Crafted to take full advantage of the unbroken ocean vistas from all 4 levels, the home offers an intimate living experience in harmony with the sea. One of Maroubra's biggest land holdings, this 1,400 square metre property has 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. The residence comes complete with private sunbathing rocks that lead to the water's edge. Enjoy the included amenities such as an infinity pool with multi-million-dollar views, a billiards room, a spa and sauna, a wine cellar, and a 12-car underground garage. This home was first completed back in 2004, and this is the first time that it has ever been offered to the market. Fall asleep to the waves breaking over the rocks below, and wake up to the beautiful sunrises.